Hey guys, so I wanted to quickly show you how to use the Desert Mist Diffuser, which came with my starter kit. I'm going to show you the different parts first. So this cover, you're going to want to take that off. Okay, and then there's another piece here. And this is the water well. So there's a line here that you're going to notice when I have a little liquid in here, so I don't want to tip it. But it's right about where you see this little lip here on the inside. You're going to want to fill the water up to there. So I'm going to, actually before I do that, I'm going to show you some other parts to this. So on the bottom, you see here there are two buttons. The one on your left is the power button, and the one on the right is to change the lighting. So I'm going to show you that once it's all plugged in. But first of all, I'm not going to tip this either because I have liquid in here. But underneath, flip over your diffuser before you put any liquid in like I have. But where you're going to plug in the power cord is right underneath on the bottom. So I'm going to do that first. I already have my cord plugged into my outlet. Let me just move this so you guys can see what I'm doing over here. Alright, so I am going to plug the cord in here. Now since it's on the bottom, I want to do that before there's any liquid in there. Alright, and then I'm just going to take a cup of water and just fill it right up to that line that I had indicated. Alright, so the water's in. And then I'm going to put about 5 drops of pine in there. Pine essential oil. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one came out quick. Alright, and then I'm going to put the lid on this. So you're going to want to line up this piece here with the same indentation on this. Put that on. Okay, and then you take your cover and you put the cover on as well. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on. So I'm going to hit the power button, and there's 3 different settings. So the first setting, it automatically comes on with this light, and it comes out the strongest through the top as it diffuses. And then there's a second setting. If you just press the power button again, it comes out a little bit less. And then the third setting, it comes out intermittently, so it'll run for about a minute, and then it'll shut off and then turn back on. So every other minute it'll go on and off. Alright, so then the lighting, it automatically starts in this lighting setting. And if I press the lighting setting again, it does a little bit lower light. And then again, it does a candle flicker, which is really cool, especially for those of you that love candles like me. And you're looking to get rid of the toxic candles and just use your diffuser. It's a great setting for that. And then the next setting, it cycles through various colors. So it stays on for like 5 seconds and then changes to a different color. And the lighting isn't that great in this video to really see the coloring, but it is changing about every 5 seconds. Now the next setting, if you press it again, it will cycle through the various colors. So I think there's like 7 different colors. So I'm just continuing to click as it changes colors. Okay, and then the very last one, it shuts the lighting off. So my diffuser's still on, however the light is off. And remember, I have it in that intermittent mode right now, so it's doing its minute off right now. But this is great. My other diffuser, the home diffuser, didn't have this setting where you could actually shut the light off on the diffuser and still have the diffuser running. So this is great for at nighttime if you guys have trouble sleeping with any sort of light on, which I do. So I would never run my other diffuser at nighttime when I was trying to sleep because of that. So this is great in that you can have that light off while the diffuser is still running. Just one thing to note, if you do have the light on, the diffuser will stop once that water well has emptied. However, the light will stay on. So if you do have the light on, then you'll just want to make sure to shut it off if you know that your diffuser has emptied its water well. Okay, so that's how to use the diffuser.